good morning, class 1 students. Hope you all are doing very well and welcome back to your maths class. Okay, students, in the last session we learned, yes, क्या हमने सीखा था? Yes, we learned number name till 100. Shall I ask some spellings from you? Okay, now tell me.
Spelling of 85. Yes. Very good.
EIGHTY 80 FIVE 5 85.
Okay. Now tell me the spelling of 7979. Yes, students. Very good.
SEVENTY 70 NINE 9 79.
Okay students, in today's class we are going to learn about forward counting and backward counting. Do you know about what is the forward counting and what is the backward counting? आपको पता है कि forward counting क्या होती है और backward counting क्या होती है? Yes. Okay, let me tell you students. See, this is called number line. This is called number line. Students, if we count like this, see, from 0 to 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we count like this is called forward counting. जब हम 0 to 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 इस तरह से काउंटिंग करते हैं. This is called forward counting. Forward means moving ahead. हमें आगे बढ़ना है. ओके, फॉरवर्ड मीन्स मूविंग अहेड. जब हम छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ चलते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. किड्स, व्हेन वी काउंट फॉरवर्ड वी गेट बिगर नंबर. जब हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हैं तो हमें बिगर नंबर मिलते हैं. सी द नंबर 3. 3 is more than 2. 4 is more than 3. 5 is also more than 4. 6 is more than 5. 7 is also more than 6 and it is 1 more than 6. 8 is 1 more than 7. 9 is 1 more than 8. It means हम 1 step आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं. This is called forward counting. And students, it is not necessary to always start with 0 or 1. ये ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि हमें forward counting को हमेशा 0 या 1 से ही start करना है. Forward means you have to moving ahead, one step. Forward का मतलब ही यही है कि हमें सीधा एक step आगे बढ़ना है. Suppose if I am going to take a number 26 and you have to write forward counting. It means after 26, which number will come, beta? What is the 1 more than 26? 26 से 1 more कितना number आएगा? Yes, next number will be very good 27. Next 28. Then 29. Next 30. Very good. I hope the concept of forward counting is clear to everyone. Good. Okay, now I will tell you about backward counting. Backward means moving back. Back चलना, उल्टा चलना. Okay, backward means moving बैक, कि हमें उल्टा चलना है, रिवर्स ऑर्डर में चलना है. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी काउंट लाइक दिस फ्रॉम 9 to 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is called backward counting. जब हम 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 इस तरह काउंट करते हैं, उल्टा चलते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. And when we count backward, we get smaller number. जब हम backward counting करते हैं तो हमें smaller number मिलते हैं. See how I was here, मैं 9 पे थी, when I moved to 8. See 8 is less than 9. Then 7 is less than, yes, 7 is less than 8, and 6 is less than 7, 5 is less than 6, 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 4. See how much it is less. ये कितना less है? See 1. 3 is 1 less than 4. 2 is 1 less than 3. It means हम one step back करते जा रहे हैं. It means in backward counting we have to take away one number from each number. Okay, no matter what we start with the number. कि कहने का मतलब ये है कि बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हमें वन लेस करते जाना है, हम एक स्टेप पीछे आते जाते हैं. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हमें हमेशा 9 से काउंटिंग शुरू करनी है या 10 से शुरू करनी है या 40 से करनी है. whatever the number is there. Suppose if I am taking the number again, earlier I was taking 25, the same I am taking 25. Now I have to move back. अब मुझे बैक चलना है. ओके, इट मीन्स 25 से बैक मूव करना है, तो 25 से 1 लेस कितना होगा? यस, 1 स्टेप बैक. कि हमें आगे फॉरवर्ड नहीं होना, हमें बैकवर्ड चलना है. तो विच नंबर विल बी हियर? यस, 24. 1 less than 24, sorry, 1 less than 25. Yes, it will be 24. Then 23. Next 22. Then 21. Okay students, I hope the concept of forward counting and backward counting is clear to everyone. Now, okay students, today we will do our work in maths notebook. So take out your maths notebook, okay, and first of all write classwork, CW classwork, and date. What is the date today students? Yes, today is 14th of October. 1, 4, 14, 10. 10 means which month is going on? October 2020. Okay, now write the heading backward counting. BACKWARD, backward. BACK, back. WARD, word, backward counting. COUNTING. In today's class, we will do backward counting from 50 to 1. Okay. Now, as usual, for writing the counting, we have to write the places. The first place, ones, then tens, and we will start from 50. Okay. If I am taking the number 50, 1 less 50, we have to move back. हमें उल्टा चलना है, downwards move करना है. Then next number will be, yes, 49. Then 48. Next 49. लेस देन 46, 46 से पहले या 46 से 1 कम क्या नंबर बनेगा? यस, 45, देन 44, next, yes, 43, then 42, next, yes, 41, see, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42 and 41. Okay, then 1 less than 41. 41 से पहले क्या नंबर आएगा भाई? Yes, tell me. Yes, the number will be 40. So, we will start our next line with 40. Okay, then 1 less 40. 1 before 40. आप कह सकते हो कि 40 से 1 कम या 40 से 1 जो 40 से पहले आता है क्या नंबर आएगा? Yes, the number will be 39. Then 38. Next 37. Then 36. Then 35. The next 34. Then 33. 32. The last one. Yes. Which number will come before 32? Very good. 31. Okay, students? Good. And please, your handwriting should be neat and clean. Sharp your pencil very well. Okay, now come to the next line. Before 31, which number will come? 31 से पहले क्या आएगा? Yes, we will start our next line with number 30. And every time you have to write ones and tens. You have to write the places. Okay. Now 30. Before 30, 1 less 30. Which number will come? Yes, 29. Then 28. Then 27. Then 26. Next 25. What will be the next number in the reverse order? Yes, we will write here 24. Next 1 less 24. The number will be 23. Then 22. And next 21. Good. Now we will start the number with. अब किस नंबर से शुरू करेंगे हम? See, tell me which number come before 21. 21 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, the number 20. And students, you have to leave one line. Okay. Firstly, you have to write this line 50, 49, 48. Then you have to leave one line. You have to do it in the next again. After completing this line 42, 31, you have to leave one line. Then you will write this line again. Here, when you have completed 30 to 21, you have to leave one line. Okay. Now we are doing the line 20. Okay. The next number in the reverse order. what will be before 20? Yes, the number will be 1 9 19, then 1 8 18, next 1 7 17, then 1 6 16, next 1 5 15, then 1 4 14, then 1 3 13, next 1 2 12, and 1 1 11. Okay, now tell me which number will come before 11? 11 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, which number will come before 11, or you can say the 1 less 11. 11 से 1 number कम करेंगे, then we will get, yes, 10. And it's very easy. Yes, 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope student you all have done side by side. सबने मेरे साथ कर लिया काम. Yes, today we have done backward counting from 50 to 1. I know you have already done 20 to 1. आपने पहले ये कर लिया है. Doesn't matter. We will do it again for the revision. Okay, and your homework is also you have to write and learn again backward counting from 50 to 1. And I hope it is clear to everyone what is the backward counting and how we will write. And mainly you have to learn this line only. See, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, अगर आपको ये वाली लाइन लर्न है, फर्स्ट लाइन, then you can write easily other lines, है ना? Okay, thanks, bye bye.